Okay, this is for real estate agents. Look, if you are surviving right now, good for you. And I know there's been a lot of stuff out there. There has. And a lot of agents or everybody's saying, look, if you survive, next year is going to be amazing. But to be honest, if you're long term, if you've been an agent and you've been through this, we know how this goes. It's up and down, left and right. We're always kind of surviving. But I mean, there'll be tough years. There's going to be amazing years where we excel. We just take off. It's saving the money, it's buying rentals, it's doing what we preach. But the catch is right now, I don't know what it is about real estate. It's just notorious, but everybody loves to sell everything to realtors, like just marketing plans, new business plans. Hey, I've reinvented myself this last 6 months. Come learn how my business is taking off, and come buy my packets, and hey, come over here and we'll teach you everything. It's just, they love to sell to us, and it's constant. So my advice as a realtor, don't buy any of the garbage. All the stuff you can learn, all the stuff you can do to excel your game, to learn, is all free. Everything's free. One, you need to find a great mentor, whoever that is. I'm not preaching for myself. I just go find a great mentor. If you have questions, call me, absolutely. But there's mentors in all your cities, amazing mentors that will teach you for free if they know, one, you're hungry, if two, they know you're committed, three, if you've been in this for a little bit, great, or if they see something in you that shows them that, yeah, this guy's gonna be long-term, they'll take you under their wing. They will teach you for free, everything. They'll tell you all the garbage. Don't buy this, don't do that, you don't need this. I had an agent buy like a $3,000 website when he first joined. I'm like, what? A domain and this and that? I'm like, fair enough, go do your thing, you do you, right? Point of this is, don't get caught up in buying all the snake oil. Don't get caught up in listening to all these other realtors, and no offense, but to be honest, it pisses me off. They're all selling something. And the reason is, the market's slow. They're not selling themselves, so what do? They turn to the realtors and they say, hey, come buy this packet, $100, $50, $500, come learn from me, look how I'm doing. Guess what? 50 people buy, 100 people buy, 100 people buy at whatever. The number is, they make money and they survive. That's their new thing, right? So now I don't have to go sell. I just create a thing online. Here's my packet. Here's my sales thing. Reinvented myself. In the last 6 months, I tore it all down. That's great. And some people will learn. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to slag it, but I am. But 1%, 3% will actually learn from it. The 97% of us, you're just wasting your money. You're just trying to buy that magic potion, that snake oil to keep helping you go because, yes, things are rough. My advice, keep kicking water. You will get survived. What's the study with the rats? The rats that kept kicking for 15 minutes, then got saved, were about to die. They got put back in the water. They lasted 60 hours, something like that. They were only going to last 15 minutes, but they had the hope that they were going to get saved again. The same thing is in with real estate. You will survive. You will get through this. This real estate market is actually about to boom again. Keep going. Don't quit. Stay above. Go through and double down. Hustle with calling people, door knocking. What are you doing? Like, if you're not door knocking or cold calling, the two free things you can do, then you're not really actually trying, in my opinion. You should be cold calling. We work 8-hour days in any other business, right? Call 8 hours, 10 hours. Door knock 4 hours, cold call 4 hours. Don't like cold calling? Door knock 8 hours. Freaking walk. Go door knock, meet people. I have met so many clients door knocking. I helped a lady with their yardscape. Sold 4 homes. They didn't even buy that year, or sell that year, sorry. It was the next year. They said, you helped me with the yard out there while I was talking to them. Next year I sold. Bought, sold, bought. Yeah, that's how it works. So if you don't like cold calling, don't use that excuse. Door knock. Don't like door knocking, cold call. Do a mixture. If you're not doing both of those, 8 to 10 hours a day, then yeah, just quit. Or you can buy one of the agents' renewed package, but everybody loves to sell us. Like, I swear, realtors are notorious for just buying garbage. We just buy everything. Oh, this will help us. Oh, this will help us. This will help us. Stop. And it's getting ridiculous. And stop trying to sell and make money off of agents. It drives me crazy. Unless you really have something really good that's revolutionary. Otherwise, give it away for free. Because remember, the whole point is to do it for free, to help and jump. And if agents do it for free and then hopefully they come over with you, great. But don't charge. Drives me crazy. Anyways, that's it. Captain Ron's rant, I guess you could say, because I guess I came off a little angry. My wife says I'm a little tough or rough or an ass sometimes. True. But it's true. Stop wasting money. Stop taking people's money and just work. Work hard. And if you need questions, have questions about anything, call me. I'll be like, no, that's bullshit. I'll say, yeah, that's good. I'll at least let you know, honestly, straightforward before you waste money. Captain Ron out. Have a good day.